Okay, so I'm trying to get to this point here. Where is the remote? No, I have the remote. Well, crap. Oh, there it is. Okay, fine. All right, so yeah, here we go. This is so. All right, so today is. Okay, today is 1409, 18 December 2023. All right, and I want to show you how I repaired the Panasonic RX-FM16 yesterday. So that's going to be this one here. Here we go. So open with that. So here it is. Here's the model as I had this for quite some time, and I took it out of the box and I played it yesterday and it did not work. Okay, so in case you have this model or you want to get one, I have one here. It was in the box. I bought it and it didn't work, and I finally got around to repairing it. So here it is. So I just want to show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's the front of it. It's got your ambience button, low boost, high cut. And I also have the Panasonic RX-F4, which is similar to this. It's just not auto reverse. Okay, and I made a video about that several months ago. But right, so here is the volume. This is your power off button, or in tape mode, which will play all the time. Then FM and then AM. Okay. Then you have your regular buttons. You have your reverse mode. It'll play both sides forever, or play both sides and stop. Here's your direction button for changing the play from one side to the other. It's got your then you got your mono and stereo button, your tuning knob, and that's it. It's a full spectrum of like that. Now there's nothing on this end, but there it is. Okay. And then here's your headphone jack and your AC input, and that's all there is. Okay, here's the picture of the back. And that's the original tape from holding the battery cover in place, I guess. I don't know. And here's the battery compartment. It takes 6D batteries for 9 volts. Here it is. It's showing you 6D batteries, 9 volts, 13 watts consumption, not power output. Okay. Let's see here. So there's the battery compartment. I just took a picture to show you how clean and new this is. Alright. And the other end, again, clean and new. Okay. And then, okay, here's the specifications as far as what it does. The frequency response is roughly 90 cycles to 7,000 cycles. This does not say what the wattage output is of the speakers, but I would guess to be about 2 watts a channel. I'm guessing. Here's take the screws out. Front cover comes completely off. You lift it off from the front, from the bottom. Okay. Here's a picture of the inside of this model here. This has a rotating head. There's the gear set for the rotating part at the head. Alright. And then here's just an overview picture. Okay. And again, it's an auto reverse deck. Here you're like that. Here's just another picture. Now you have to remove the this control set first to gain access to the tape deck. That's just the way it comes apart. And then here's just I had to remove that speaker to get to this wire here, which I'm not sure what that does, but it's just 2 wires, and so there we are. Okay. And then this is I just had to take a picture of this because this is the red on this side and plain on that side. That's the wires going to the motor, because to remove the tape deck, the wires are very short. Here's the motor wires going to the circuit board, and there's no plug. There's no plug here, and that's it. So it's just, that's as far as it's going to come out. So you will have to unsolder these wires to gain access to replacing the belt. I did so. Here's just another overview picture. I had to remove the speaker. I did not, the speakers are soldered in and wired on, so you cannot remove them unless you unsolder them if you want to. I did not. I'm just very careful. So here it is. I have unsoldered the motor wires. That's all this picture is about. Just another picture. Here's the tape deck. It takes 4 screws to get this panel off. Okay, 4 screws. There's this one here, that one there. Okay, and well, that's just the old belt stuff there. Okay. Here's just a picture of this view. I don't know why I took this picture, but I did. But it's good to know about the orientation of this piece right here. We'll get to that in a moment. That's part of taking this apart. Here is the same view from the other side of the model to understand about where this little panel goes together as far as it going under this panel and all that, because that has to do with when you remove this upper panel so you can gain access to the flywheels. Okay. Now this is the other screw. We'll get back to that in a moment. You have to remove the 2 top screws plus this screw right here. You must remove that screw. It's a very tiny sheet metal screw, okay, and it's right there next to the motor. Okay. Then here is just a view of the old belt still. As you can see, it's a flat belt. Okay. All right, and then this is a picture of the. Well, this is the what is it? The recording bar switch, and this is your head switch. It's multiple wires. I just took a picture of that to make sure I get the right orientation in case it's a kind of plug that you can put in wrong. But no, the plug is keyed, so you can't put it in wrong. Now this part is the other part. Only this little screw right here, just that screw is all you need to remove. But you need to know the orientation of where this, when you get it apart, where this goes up underneath that panel. Okay, you have to know that. And the orientation of this piece of plastic. It has to rest on this tab, and down here it has to rest on that tab, because when they take this off, it will move all around. All right? So you take that off, and then you can get, because this is keyed into holding the panel that holds the flywheel in place, you have to remove this one screw. All right? So enough about that. So now we have the panel off. Okay. And now we're going to, this is the weighted side, this is not weighted, you have to remove this. Be mindful of the washers that are underneath it. There's a washer underneath there, a washer underneath here, and a spring on the shaft of each of these capstan flywheels. Alright? Then here is the capstan flywheel. This is the non-weighted one that goes on that side. And this is just an overview of, well, just an overview. Okay. And then, here's the motor. The date is May of 1988, for those that are interested. Alright. And here I did spray in some deoxit into the recording bar switch and the switch over here and these other switches, just a little bit. And this is, it's got a new belt in there. We'll see that in a moment. Okay, here's the new belt and the proper routing. The belt goes around the motor here and goes briefly around this side and around, and then completely around the weighted side. And then the size of the belt is 5.5 inches for the flat belt, which is a 3 millimeter wide. So 3 millimeter wide and 5.5 inches long. And the secondary belt here is an 80 millimeter belt. And then, of course, if you need this information, if you have the service manual, there's a service manual for the so this evidently goes into an RX-FW32, but this is an RX-FW16. So, or it's an RX-FW. RX-FM16, but this is very confusing. I don't know what this has to do with the FW32, but this is what was on the sticker on the tape deck that's in there. So there it is. That's just what it looks like. Okay. And then here it is, all done, finished, and working. So now let me play it for you ever so briefly. Let me wide this one out. Okay, so wide that one out. Come down here to me. Let me see what this other, I got two cameras going. See if I can, well, just move it over there. Okay, that's good. Alright, so here we are. I could plug it in. I've got a power cord right here. Let's plug it in. Oh gosh. Okay, so power cord goes in here like that. Okay. Jam it in. Can you see me? Yeah, here. Give me that. So here we go. We turn it on by, that's FM.
As a Dallas Cowboy, what the difference between great?
So here's the stereo light, here's the power light, here's the direction light for the tape. Okay. And stereo light. And I didn't even have the antenna up, but there's that, and then here's AM, okay, so.
With high clouds, the south winds return to 10 to 20. Humidity slowly increases Wednesday and Thursday.
And the volume.
High cloudiness, highs in the mid-60s.
And then of course you've got your ambience, low boost, well here, let's turn all of them off, right? That's off. Ambience, more boost, for low, high boost, and then high cut, right? You have to read the instructions to understand what how those buttons mean. But these are the 3-band equalizer and your ambience. All right, so that's how that works. And then let's see here. I just got it's got a very slow opening thing there, so drop this in. This is wait.
Will also be one of the busiest. We're projecting this to be the second highest.
That's a Led Zeppelin Physical Graffiti. I can only play a few seconds. So we'll turn that off. We'll hit play. Right. Now you can die easy. Okay, so there's that tape. And let me get a New Order tape. It's got some familiar music, New Order Substance, right? So throw this in so briefly, hit play. Okay, I can whatever. And then of course here's my tape that I can play forever. I just want to play some copyrighted music so you can understand how it sounds. This is A. There's nothing on side B unless I get to a particular point, and there is a short little recording I made a long time ago. Okay, so wait. What did I do? Oh. Evidently I ate the tape on some other machine. Alright. There we go. Do that. There might have been a recording on here somewhere, but there's nothing on that side. I just want to show you it does play on that side. So here again. Low boost. I'm sure you can hear that. I shut up. High boost. It's just a normal tape. High cut. Turn that off, turn that on, hit the ambience. Well, the ambience was on. Okay, sorry. So that's the ambience, no ambience. So hit all the bass. High boost. got a brand new antenna, right? So it goes out, goes in, right? And it does run on batteries, right? So now, in case you missed that, I'll do it real slow, right? Yep. Let's do it slow enough here. There we go. Now it's running on the cord. Now it's running on batteries. So new in the box, new for sale. It's very clean, no dust anywhere. Okay, it's got new belts in it. All right, gotta go. Gotta go, sign off and say goodbye and all that. So it comes with the power cord, comes with the instructions, all that, and you know, of course, that. We got the original box with the original stuffing and such. Here are the extra pieces that go to it and such. Right? So anyway, just throw this up here, get this out of the way. Just wanted to make this little video, and I'll make one more video outside, briefly just playing it. Okay, but that's I wanted to show you how it's been repaired. For those of you interested, and gotta go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. It's for sale. I have way too many radios, and the big radio came in today, so I gotta go repair it. So okay, so let me just get this off here. All right, so yeah, there's that camera. Yep. Okay, so John Snyder's watching, and Cornell Snyder is watching, and gotta go. Thanks for watching. Slow connection. I don't know. Boombox Chuck reacted to your video. Great. See ya. Bye bye. So, and no, forever. Keep it on here forever. Post now. Yay. Great. So there's that. Plug this into power. Charge it back up. 92%, it's not bad, I guess. And let's see here. So come on. Oh, okay, there we go. See it? See it? Okay, great. So give me that. Give me this. Okay, so here's this. Like I said, this is for sale. 17 minutes. I wish I could show you just how clean and new this thing really is, but it's very clean, very new, very everything. Just got new belts in it. All right, so got the original box to it. Here, I'm gonna put it back, and I'm gonna take it outside and do a quick video of it. And okay, so good day, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I've got a Cayenne to work on next. Bye bye.